Wanted to make a video here super quick. I bought this Andersen adjustable hitch here, used from local classifieds here in my state, Utah. And when I picked it up, this plastic cap here that goes on this 2 5/16 ball, you can tell that it kind of scraped some asphalt and kind of had a hole worn through it, excuse me. And so I went onto eBay and bought some replacement caps. I think they were about $9. This is the 2 5/16. And then I went and got the 2-inch as well while I was at it. But I tried to look online how to replace these, what the best and easiest way was, and I wasn't quite sure what it looked like underneath, so I waited till these new ones came in, and I kind of looked at the bottom of them, and they're smooth, and then there's like a little ridge here. It's almost like a little O-ring, but I think it's actually just plastic, but looks like it just kind of snaps on there. So anyways, this was on here, and just took a flathead screwdriver and kind of pried it under there and popped that off. And then got my new cap here, so I'll put that on. Then I got a rubber mallet, so I'll go ahead and kind of press that on. But again, just wanted to make a super quick video because I'm sure there's some other guys and gals that are wondering what it's like to kind of pull these off and put them on as well. So I'm a little OCD, so I'll line it up and kind of smack it on as straight as I can. But again, just wanted to do a quick video just so you can see what the insides of these caps look like and kind of how easy they are. Looks like there's just a little ridge there. So just again, snap on.